Hello, welcome to another edition of Math is Easy Step by Step. We've gone over how to turn an improper fraction into a mixed number, and now we're going to go over how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. So let's just go ahead and get started. A mixed number has a whole number included with the fraction. As you can see here, 4 and 1/2. 4 being the whole number, 1's the numerator, the top part of our fraction, 2 being the denominator, the bottom part of our fraction. So hey, how do we convert this mixed number into an improper fraction? There is somewhat of a formula. Let's go ahead and take a look at it right here. So you're going to take this mixed number, and I'll show you below in just a moment. You're going to take this mixed number, 4 and 1/2. Now, before I say anything, this denominator, the original bottom part of your fraction, will always just stay the same. So this 2 will be in your solution. It will be the denominator in your solution. So kind of the formula goes like this. You take the denominator 2, you're going to multiply times 4. You'll then take the product or the answer to a multiplication problem, and whatever the top number is, you're going to add to that. So let me just show you that quick little formula I kind of created below. It's right here. So you have 2 times 4. Take that product, add it to the numerator. So 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 plus 1 equals your top number, which is 9. Of course, that denominator is just going to stay the same. That's your original bottom number. All right, so your new top number is 9. I'm taking the original denominator, multiplying times the whole number, which is 8, then adding the top part of the fraction to get the 9 for the new top number. Your original bottom number, the denominator, just stays the same. Hey, let's go ahead and take a look at some examples. I will do them with you here. All right, so I've kind of set up in advance this first example. I thought that would be easiest for any learners out there. We have a mixed number, 2 and 2/3. So the formula is, remember, hey, that bottom number, that denominator will stay the same. It will be in your answer. It stays the same. So simply multiply 3 times 2. The product of 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And then go ahead and add that product with the top portion, 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So our answer, or these values are actually equal. They are totally equal to each other. It's just two different ways to show. So our mixed number has been converted into an improper fraction. Okay, if you remember from an earlier video, you could take 8 and divide it by 3, and you'd end up with the mixed number 2 and 2/3. That's why I can say they are equal to each other. All right, so let's do a couple of these examples here live. I like to do both of them here with you so you can observe. So the formula is, again, that denominator for any of these problems is going to remain the same in your solution. You're going to take the denominator times the whole number, take that product, add it to the top number. So 10 times 5 is 50. 50 plus 9 is 59. So our improper fraction now is 59 tenths. 59 tenths. Okay, let's go ahead and finish off this final example. You're going to take, again, 7 is your original denominator. It stays the same in your answer every time. And we're going to multiply 7 times 3 and take that product and then add it with whatever number's on top here. It's 5. So 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. So 26 sevenths is the improper fraction of the mixed number 3 5/7. I hope you find this valuable for you. Now, just before I leave, I'd like to make a quick little side note. It is dramatically easier when multiplying and dividing, in my opinion, to take your mixed numbers, convert them into improper fractions, and then multiply top to top, bottom to bottom, or convert your division of fractions into a multiplication problem. Hey, I'm going to show you that a little bit later how to do it, but of course these are some prerequisites prior to getting to those type of problems. Again, I hope you have enjoyed Math is Easy, step by step. Hey, I'll see you soon.